Hello there, this is my channel Tukustu Zariun. I will continue today's lesson. Before that, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Just try to motivate and support me by subscribing my channel. Thank you. Let me continue here. How can we format a text? Just we save our time when we use computer with word processing software. It's the most widely popular software is chosen here, Microsoft Word. It's enabled to create any features by combining objects too. That it is preferable than other type of word processing softwares. We use most of the time the keyboard, then it's better to use to save our time. We prefer our keyboard also. It's possible also to interact with the computer by only keyboard. Until the third generation of computers, before the innovation of the graphical user interface that uses mouse, in those operating in command line prompt, in command line interface technology, is only use keyboard. It's possible to use only keyboard and it's possible to interact with the computer. That's why until the 1971 people only use keyboard as an input device only. Here Control B. Yes, Control N helps you to open a new blank document. Control N. Blank document is opened. Then is equal to array md helps you to display 3 paragraph text. Enter key on the keyboard. Then Control A. Just let me minimize the size. Here the first Control B means bold. Control B means bold. Always selection stage in previous lesson part. Always first selection, then action. Let me shift plus down key on the directional key. Then Control first without releasing, then B. Plus means at the same time. Text is bold. Then Alt plus tab. Alt plus tab. It helps you to select your document here. Then Control italics. Italics. Possible to make. Control I. It's possible to double underline. Control uses underline to make double underline. Control. Then underline double. You can choose double underline or there are broken lines also. Okay. Control Shift increase font size. First Control Shift without releasing at the same time. Then greater than sign is increase the size. For instance, you can type a single letter and you can increase as you want. You can decrease. The font size is displayed here. Control N. For instance, type A. Then Control Shift greater than. You can print a single letter with a single paper. You can make it bold, or you can type with word art. Single letter, and you can increase. Control Shift greater than sign, and you can print a single letter or 2 letters with single paper. control shift greater than increase. At the same time control shift less than sign is control plus shift plus less than sign is decrease font size. At the same time first press the control then shift on the keyboard at the same time without releasing less than sign decreases the font size. What about change select type to all capital letters? Control shift A. Control shift always you have to select first selection then option. Control shift A. Control shift letter A. All the letters are changed into uppercase or capital. In IT or computer we say the capital letters are uppercase, the small letters are lowercase. Control shift A change the select to all capital letters. What about to change select to small caps? Letter K instead of using A. Control shift K. K. You have to repeat K. Capital K. Small K. Capital K. Small. Control plus end. Move to the end of the document. Control plus end. Control plus end key on the keyboard. End key. Home is here. End key. Now the cursor is at the beginning. Control then end. The end of the paragraph. The end of the page. What about again? Control is home to the beginning of the first page. Control end to the end of the first page. Control home to the beginning. Only home to the beginning. To the end of the line. Home the beginning of the line. The beginning of the line. To move the end of the line. Home to the beginning of the line. These are text formatting lists. Advanced shortcut for style and alignments. The first is Control Shift S style. Control Shift then S. First selecting Control Shift S style. Here is apply styles. It is normal. You can change into title. Your selections list of choices are here. You can change into videos or subtitle, or you can do normal. To normal. Okay, what about returning back? To change the style, you can use S. Remove formatting, Control Shift N. Control Shift N. First we have to select Control Shift N. Control Shift N. Control Shift N. Normal. I'm formatting at all. Control Y. Remove formatting. Control Shift N. You can apply a bulleted list using Control Shift L, letter L. For instance, if you want to apply here the list, Control Shift L. This is bulleted list is applied. Then you can change the bullet type. Here also, Control Shift L. Then you can change the bullet type. Control plus E, center. Here, when you point your mouse, align left, it says Control plus L, Control plus E, under parentheses. The same to other, you can get the shortcut keys. Control E is center. First selection says, then action. Control E, center. Control left. Control J, justify. Control R, right. You can make apply to the group of sentence, or can be paragraph or a word. This alignment is Control E, align text, center. Aligning the set is justify. Aligning the set to left, Control L. Control R is right. Insertion and links. Here, insertions and links. Control plus K, insert hyperlink. What the need of K? Insert hyperlink. How can insert a hyperlink? Okay, first let me go to the next page here. First, locating your cursor by double clicking. Now the cursor is active. Always first selections in action. You have to point the cursor what you want to do. You have to tell the computer or the digital device that you use by selecting or by clicking. We show the system what to do. Here I am ready. The cursor is ready. The insertion point is ready. It invites you to do some task. The cursor. Now before applying this hyperlink, Control plus E, Shift plus Enter, it helps you to insert a new line. Shift plus Enter. Shift, then Enter. It goes to the next line. Again, Shift, Enter. It goes to the new line. Shift, Enter. It goes to the new line. Holding the Shift, Enter. What about Control? Control, holding Control, E, break, page break. It goes to the next page. Here on the status bar, page 2 of 2. How many words? 239 words are there here in the first page. Okay, Control plus Enter, insert a page break, or it goes to the next page. We have applied already. shift plus enter a new line to a new line. What about enter to the new paragraph? When you only use the keyboard enter to the next paragraph, to the next line, shift, simply shift plus enter. Then how can we apply Control K, inserting hyperlink? Control K. Now here, I am here in the second page. How can I know? Here, the status to page 2. Here, go to, let me type shift plus a letter. When the caps lock is off, it helps you to type small. I mean, if it is off, it helps you to type capital or uppercase letter. For instance, G, then O, space, to make it capital, the letter only shift, you can shift plus T. To type the symbols here above the numbers, you can use shift plus again. Again, to type punctuation markers, if there is 2 punctuations in a single key, to type the above one, you have to hold down shift key always. Then to go to make it P capital, shift P, holding shift. Page 1. Here the number. The number does not type it, exclamation mark. You have no hold down. Don't have to hold down the shift key. If you hold down the shift key, you type the symbols. Okay, page, go to page 2. First selection says. Then, what about inserting, applying the hyperlink? Control K. Control K. Finished. Hyperlink dialog box is displayed. Then here are the choice existing title, for instance. If you want to, when you click go to page 1, and for instance, if you want to open a specific folder, you have to choose, you have to give the name of the file you want to open, and you have to adjust here. Here the second place in this document, it says. When you click this, we are applying a link, hyperlink, a text. A hyperlink can be text or a picture that helps you to open or to move you to the next page or to display a new page. Here, when you use the link, this we are preparing a link place in this document. What you have to do, top of the document, it says. When I use the link, this go to page, or when I click here, it go to the top of the document, page 1. Finished. Place in this document, then top of the document I have chosen. Finished. It is applied. The text is changed into blue color. It is a link. It shows us a link. In a Google, when you want to retrieve some text, it applies. It gives retrieves and displays in the indexes in the form of blue color. The blue colors are links. They are enable you to go to the other pages or enable you to explore other pages. Here, shift plus enter. Next line. Now, point here. When I point the mouse pointer, when I point on every icons, the software by itself, not only in this Microsoft particular word software, when you open and use any software, it displays a tip. Even the desktop environments have a tips. Try to point using your mouse pointer. Gives you a tip. You can learn. For instance, right click, shift on blank space, then point here. shows the disk drives and hardware connected to this computer. It says what's the help of this PC? Icon with the name this PC. Every icon has its own representation, picture and a name. Programs files are icons, their own icons and their names. It's identified by the icon or the name. Here, when you point it, a tip shows the disk drives and hardware connected to this computer. Finished. The disk drives, when you want to access, for instance, flash disk, the computer's drive by itself, the hard disk. Have a partition. It helps you to explore or open. Even the optical disks, CDs, DVDs, or passport external hard disk. You have to open this or you have to use File Explorer. Window key, this is window key, navigator key. Here, the File Explorer. Another alternative, what I am telling you, you can learn by yourself here. For instance, the File Explorer here. When you point here, it gives you a tip. Every icon gives us a tip. File Explorer says. Microsoft Store says. What about here? The start. The same to here. Bold says Control plus B. What about here? Control D. Displays a font dialog box. For instance, Control plus D. It helps us to display the font dialog box. Font dialog box exactly. But always we have to first selection then action when you perform something. Okay, this the help of what this help of applying this it helps you to move the next page. For instance, here is our file. Okay, this is the first. Okay. Here is our link. What I am telling you, you can learn by yourself. Pointing, and it gives you a tip. It's not everything given by lesson. Basic things are given by lesson. Okay, go to page. It says a tip. A tip is Control plus click to follow the link. You have to, the current document is Control plus click to follow the link. Therefore, we have to use Control key on the keyboard. Control, holding down the Control key, then click it says. Have you seen? It goes to the first page. Finished. Here is the second page, the link on the second page with Control key. It helps you to move the first page. If you have 100 pages in a single file, the link helps you to move to a specified place. By preparing the link, it's possible to move. And you can prepare other things the same to here, like this. Okay, thank you. Try to support and motivate me by subscribing my channel. I will summarize in next part about using my keyboard shortcuts in Microsoft Word. For today, thank you.